Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 1. How are you all? This is your maths period and today we are going to start a new topic, but before starting our work, first recite dua after me. Rabbi zidni ilma, oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Now beta, open your books, page number 138 and write down today's date and day on the top of the page. So in today's class we are going to discuss about digital clocks and its timings. Okay, look at this one. This is a picture of digital clock. क्या होती है digital clock? Let's see. A digital clock shows the time using numbers, not hands. So this is a digital clock. In digital clocks only numbers are displayed. ये देखिए, जैसा आपको यहाँ पे numbers नजर आ रहे हैं, इसी तरीके से इस clock में सिर्फ numbers display होते हैं और इस पे minute hands और second hands और hands नहीं होते. ओके बेटा? So come to this one. Read the time shown on the digital clocks. How will you read the time? Look at this clock. When in a digital clock, 2 zeros are displayed. On right hand side, the time will be in o'clock, like this one. This clock is showing the time 4 o'clock because on right hand side there are 2 zeros. ये देखिए, right side पे जब भी 2 zeros होंगे और left side पे जो भी number होगा तो क्या time हो जाएगा यहाँ पे उसकी के according 4 o'clock. Similarly, look at this one. There are again 2 zeros on right hand side, so the time is 6 o'clock. And similarly here the time is 11 o'clock. Okay beta? Now come to this one. Question number 1. Read the time and write in the box. Now beta, you have to write in these boxes the correct timings. Okay? For example, this clock is showing the time 1 o'clock because there are 2 zeros on right hand side. Okay beta? What about this one? This clock is showing the time 3 o'clock. Okay. So have you written the time 3 o'clock? Now come to this one. This digital clock is showing the time 6 o'clock because there are 2 zeros on right hand side. Okay. So is it clear? Now come to this one. Whenever in a digital clock number 30 appears on right hand side, the time will be in half past, like this clock. This clock is showing the time 8:30 because on left hand side there is a number 8 and on right hand side there is number 30. What about this clock timing? This clock is showing 10:30. So have you written 10:30? Okay, now come to this one. This clock is showing 12:30. So students, have you completed question number 1? Good. Now come to question number 2. Write the time on the digital clock. So beta, in this question digital clocks are given and you have to write the correct digits according to the timings, like 2 o'clock. So what will you write here? You have to write these digits. Okay, 2 zeros on right hand side and on left hand side you have to complete the 2 spaces. So you will write 0, 2. What about this one? You have to write you have to write this one. Okay beta? So what about this clock? What will you write here? The time is 7 o'clock. So this is the correct timings according to the given one. Now come to this one, 1:30. So what will come here? 01 on left hand side and right hand side 30. It means 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1:30. What about this one, 4:30? 4 hours and 30 minutes. 4:30. And what about 9:30? Very good, 9 hours and 30 minutes. So students, you have to complete book page number 138. Okay beta, take care. Allah Hafiz.